As India advances its clean energy transition, solar power is becoming increasingly important. In this journey, Vishakha's solar encapsulants help protect solar cells and support reliable module performance over time. Engineered to protect solar cells from moisture, heat, UV rays, and environmental stress for decades. Made using carefully selected raw materials, EVA, polymer, PVB, ionomer, and silicone, processed into uniform rolls, available in widths up to 1.3 meters and thicknesses from 380 to 600 GSM. The encapsulant is applied on both sides of the solar cell, then laminated under heat and pressure to create a strong, transparent seal. It bonds firmly with solar glass and backsheets, locking every layer securely in place. Vishaka offers two advanced solutions: Fast Cure EVA for faster lamination and EPE for superior moisture and thermal resistance. Manufactured in India, Vishakha Renewables is strengthening domestic solar manufacturing.